Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this surface mount LED Bimini accent light with the switch and the black cover. Now this is an LED area light that will provide a nice bright light for your boat. It's great for upgrading or even replacing the Bimini top and pontoon boat bathroom lights. Right on the front here it has this integrated push button switch that will allow for easy on and off of the light. Now at the end of this video I'm going to hook this up to some 12 volt power to show you how that switch works and how bright the light is. The cover on this, it's a removable black plastic cover here. Let me just pop it off just like this. And you can see with the cover off, then you can see where the mounting screws go. So this removable black plastic cover, when it's installed, will cover those mounting screws, and they allow for a nice clean appearance when your light is mounted. You can see it as a nice sealed waterproof black housing with an impact resistant lens unit. And they do use military grade construction on the circuit board of this light, which means it uses urethane potting, which gives you better protection than the common epoxy potting. The LEDs on this, there's 3 of them. They are premium LEDs. They are energy efficient, long lasting, vibration resistant, and they are rated for up to 100,000 hours of operation. You can see it as a clear lens over 3 white LEDs, and this is compatible with the 12 volt DC system. Go ahead and pop the cover back on. It is a surface mount installation. Now the hardware to install it is not included. You would have to supply that. Now we also sell a round bar adapter, which is sold separate on our website, and that adapter can be used to mount this light onto a 1-inch diameter bar. That adapter has a curve to it, so it allows you to mount it to the bar. We do sell that separate on our website, and it's listed on this product page as a related product. It's part number TN75VR. Now this light, you can see, does hardwire to your application. It is a 2-wire design, a power wire and a ground wire. They give you a length of wire about 6 inches. A few specs on this: the input voltage 9 volts to 14 volts. Power draw is 0.13 to 0.18 amps. Give you a few dimensions on this and then we'll hook it up to some power. So the overall length of this from one end to the other end is right at 4 inches long. The width of it is right at 1 inch. And the depth or thickness of it is right at about 1/2 inch. And the distance between the mounting holes center to center is right at 3 1/4 inches. So what we're going to do is I got some 12 volt power here. So we're going to hook this up to some power. And once I get it hooked up, I'll go ahead and turn the 12 volt power on. And you can see right now there's no light, but if you push the button, then you can see the light comes on. Push the switch again, it goes off. So if I go ahead and turn off the overhead lights, push our buttons, lights come on. You can see 3 bright white LEDs. And again, push it for off, push it again for on. And again, if we go, I want to show you the distance, how much light it does give off. It gives off a pretty good range of light. And the same way as we mentioned, just push the button for the switch off, push it back on. Go ahead and hit our overheads. We'll go ahead and turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this surface mount LED Bimini accent light with the switch and the black cover.